Scene script. Have you ever wondered about the authenticity and quality of the honey sitting on your kitchen shelf? How does one distinguish between pure, unadulterated honey and honey that is diluted or adulterated with other substances? Today we delve into the fascinating world of honey testing. First up, let's talk color. Honey is a chameleon of sorts, presenting itself in shades ranging from almost colorless to a deep, dark brown. The color of honey gives clues about its floral source, its age, and even the methods used to process it. Next, we move on to consistency. It's all about how the honey behaves when it's poured. Some honey is thick, while others have a more runny consistency. This consistency, or viscosity, reveals a lot about the quality of the honey. Now, if you've ever tried to stir a spoonful of honey into a cup of tea, you'll know that honey is denser than water. The density of honey can be measured using a tool called a hydrometer. This simple test can provide valuable information about the honey's water content. Speaking of water content, this is a key factor in determining the quality and shelf life of honey. Honey with a high moisture content can lead to fermentation, which is definitely not what we want in our honey jars. The moisture content of honey is usually measured using a device called a refractometer. Now, on to acidity. Honey naturally has a certain level of acidity, which can be measured using pH strips or a pH meter. The acidity level can affect the taste and stability of the honey. Another interesting characteristic of honey is its tendency to crystallize over time, especially when stored at cooler temperatures. The rate at which honey crystallizes can tell us a lot about its floral source and how it was processed. And what about particle size? Some varieties of honey contain pollen grains and other particles. Examining these particles under a microscope can provide a wealth of information about the honey. Lastly, one of the clear indicators of poor quality or contamination in honey is the presence of foreign matter. This could be anything from debris and wax to insects. So, there you have it. From color and consistency to acidity and crystallization, these physical tests provide a wealth of information about the quality and authenticity of honey. And while these tests may seem complex, they are vital in ensuring the honey you consume is of the highest quality. So the next time you dip into a jar of honey, remember the meticulous testing that ensures its purity and quality.